I'm Dr. Anastasia Vella, and today we're unpacking the microbiome compass. Let's get right into it.
Are you constantly hitting that midday mental wall? You know the feeling. That sudden, heavy drop in cognitive clarity, the mental static, and just severe brain fog? Well, to actually fix it, we've got to reframe the root cause. Think of your mitochondria like an engine, right? They're producing all your ATP energy. But your gut microbiome, that is your biological compass. It literally tells that energy exactly where to go. So, what happens when your internal flora is disrupted? The engine gets bad directions. This drives systemic inflammation straight up the gut-brain axis, causing that foggy brain. The absolute key here is fixing that compass. Enter T8 Mobio Plus from Vid28. This is your definitive science-backed fix. The real game changer is the synergy. You're getting 7 specific metafiltrates paired with the prebiotic lactulose. This rapidly normalizes your intestinal pH, totally stabilizes your internal flora, and completely optimizes the gut-brain axis. It clears the mental static entirely at the biological source, so you never have to deal with